This is the main passenger elevator at 300 South Craig Street, Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I don't know what this was originally, but it got modernized by Dover Traditional in the 90s. Go to the basement. Indicators over here. Modernized by Dover Traditional in the 90s. I don't know what these were originally here at the basement. Go to 4, 3, 3 works. 4 is locked. Innovation lanterns, here we go. These are traction. Case fire noise elevators. Here are 3. Go back to 1. ADA phone, your panel, your ID reader. Pretty basic cab. I'm not sure if it's a snap cab or not. It's pretty big. Modernized. Here's your panel. Dover Traditional.